Hello everyone and welcome. This is our first video on Microsoft Word where we will be learning Word from the very beginning. Whether you have never used Word before or just want to strengthen your basics, this course is designed for you. In this video, we will learn how to navigate in Microsoft Word and create and save documents.
We are using Microsoft Word Online, which you can access for free at word.cloud.microsoft.com. All you need is a Microsoft account.
Let's start by giving our document a proper name. Click on the document name at the top. It currently says Document 1. Clear it. Type My First Document. Press Enter.
Before we open the navigation panel, let me show you how headings are created using a real document. Here, I already have a sample document containing multiple sections, such as Introduction to Microsoft Word, What can you do with Microsoft Word, Getting started, Key features of Microsoft Word, and Summary. To make these sections appear in the navigation pane, we need to apply heading styles. First, select the heading Introduction to Microsoft Word. Go to the Home tab, open the Styles dropdown, hover over Heading 1, and click Apply to Selection. Now select What can you do with Microsoft Word and apply Heading 1. Do the same for Getting started, Key features of Microsoft Word, and Summary, applying Heading 1 to each section heading. Now that all the headings have been properly formatted, let's open the navigation panel and see how Word automatically organizes the document structure for us.
When working with long documents, scrolling through everything is not efficient. This is where the navigation panel helps. Go to View tab, click Navigation. A panel opens on the left side showing all the headings and sections in your document. You can click any section to jump to it instantly. Click Navigation again to close the panel. Now click Reading View. This shows your document in a clean reading layout without any editing tools, useful when reviewing a document. To go back to editing, click Edit Document at the top right. Select Edit from the dropdown. You are back in the normal editing view. You can also control how much of the document you see. Go to View tab, change zoom from 100% to 75%. Now more of the document is visible on screen. Change it back to 100%. Click Ruler in View tab. A ruler appears at the top of the document.
The ruler shows you the width of your page and where your margins are set. See the gray area on the left and right? That is your margin area. The white area in between is your typing area. Now select any paragraph. Look at the ruler. You will see two small triangles on the left side. The top triangle controls the first line indent. Drag it to the right, the first line of the paragraph moves inward. The bottom triangle controls the left indent of the entire paragraph. Drag it to set how far the whole paragraph sits from the left margin. Click Ruler again to hide it.
Now let's create a new document. Go to File tab, click New, click Blank Document. A fresh document opens. Click the document name at the top, type Sample Document. Press Enter. Now notice at the top it says Auto-Saved Online to Documents. Word Online saves your document automatically as you type. You never need to manually save. If you want to export the document, go to File tab, click Export. You can download it as a PDF or Word file.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.